from Taj Medics. I've got a Nissan Micra here on a 2014-2015 plate, but this particular model goes up to 218. I'm going to show you how to reset the service light and then the oil filter as well. So I've done the service, I've done an oil change on this with the filter as well as the sun bung, and I'm just going to show you how it's done. If you just come in. Now on the inside here, these are the two buttons I need to sort of play around with, and then on the inside here, if I just clean that up a little bit. So if I switch the ignition on, as you can see right there, you've got the oil, and then it will turn into the, you'll get another warning as well for the oil filter right there. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to reset that now for you. So all I need to do is press this button here. If you go back onto that, I'm going to press it once, I'm going to press it again, and then just going to zoom in a little bit. Then I need to go to maintenance. For me to do that, sorry, I just need to go back, press the same button again. So I need to press this button right here. So if I scroll down to maintenance, once I've done that, then press the one on the left once. I then scroll down the one on the right. I need to press the right one. So I've done the filter, I press the one on the left, and then I'll do the right one to do the reset, which is this one here to go down, and then press the left one and then change it to 13,000 miles. That 1 second. So I'm going to go back and I'll reset that now. So that's all done. So when it reaches 13,000 miles, it will then come up. Now if I scroll back up to back, press OK, then I do the same thing again, scroll down to oil, press this button here, and then I scroll down to reset, press the left button, and then I have to do this one here, reset, and then I need to do the set button right there. That's all done. I do the right button again, go to back, back again, skip. Now if I switch the ignition off and then start the car up, the warning light that you've had on before, it will be gone. Right. That was it. It was as simple as that. All you got to remember is the right and the left button. That's all you need to remember. And if there is anything else you need to know, please do let us know in the message below. And don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel, like the video, thank you, and goodbye.